In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up photos from your computer to Google Photos. So recently, the Google Drive backup feature that was automatically in Google Photos has been discontinued, or they've changed it. They're not really doing it the way they used to. So the easiest way to do this is to use a new feature. Go to photos.google.com, log in, so you're on the back end here of your Google Photos. And then in the upper right-hand corner, click the addition symbol here to bring up this drop-down menu. Then right where it says Add Photos, go to the option that says Backup Folders or Backup Automatically. Click on that, and then it will prompt you to select a folder from your computer. So I'm going to go here and select this Photos folder that I have. You can either double click on it or select it and then go to Select. Then it says allow this site to view and copy files. So basically you have to give it permission as far as Google Photos, the site itself, to go in and back up when it's open from that folder. So we'll go ahead and click Allow now, and then it says you'll see something like from your computer, whether it's a PC or a Mac, letting you know, hey, Google Chrome's trying to access this folder and the files within. Go ahead and click Allow, and then as you can see, the folder has been backed up. As you can see the size here, we can add more folders if we want, or we can click the three dots here and go to Remove. To get back to that, you would just hit the addition symbol again, go to the folder backup section, and then right here you can add other folders that you want backed up or see the progress of the ones you have already selected. Google Photos has to be open, so you have to go to photos.google.com, log in, make sure the internet's connected in order for this to work. Again, it's not going to automatically do this in the background. That is a downside, but again, it's pretty simple to open it up, and when you're looking at Google Photos on your computer, it will automatically start backing up the folders that you have selected. The only workaround for this is I went to Google, and there is a way where you can download Google Photos as a web app, but because it works differently for all different types of operating systems, I would just go to Google and type in download Google Photos as a web app. You would need to leave that open or have it open on startup in order for it to do that. But I'll be honest with you, it's almost simpler just to open up Google Photos once a week and then just say, hey, everything that I've dumped into that folder, just back it up to Google Photos. So that's it. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If you have any further questions, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.